Welcome to the history content, where the past comes alive, one story at a time. France, late 18th century, a kingdom bathed in luxury, but crumbling beneath the weight of hunger. King Louis XVI sat on the throne, indulging in feasts and fashion, while the people struggled under crushing taxes, rising bread prices, and widespread poverty. But instead, the Third Estate, the commoners, saw an opportunity. They broke away, declaring themselves the National Assembly, vowing to write a constitution. The rich, the clergy, and the nobility paid almost nothing, but the commoners, they paid everything. In 1789, things reached a breaking point. After years of financial crisis and poor harvests, Louis called the Estates General, hoping to fix France's economy. Then came the storming of the Bastille, a symbol of royal tyranny. On July 14, 1789, it wasn't just a prison. It was a message: the revolution had begun. Revolutionary ideas spread fast: liberty, equality, fraternity. Feudal privileges were abolished, and by 1791, France had a constitutional monarchy. Tens of thousands were executed for being enemies of the revolution. No one was safe. Even Robespierre eventually lost his head. But Louis didn't like limits on his power. He tried to flee, he failed, and trust in the monarchy shattered. In 1792, radicals like Robespierre took charge. The king was put on trial and in 1793, executed by guillotine. Europe gasped. The revolution had turned bloody. The Reign of Terror began. By 1799, after years of chaos, a young general named Napoleon Bonaparte staged a coup and took power. The revolution ended, but its impact changed the world forever. It toppled monarchies, inspired democratic movements, and reshaped Europe. The French Revolution began with the promise of freedom and ended with an emperor. But it proved one thing: when the people rise, history bends. And smash that like button, subscribe to the history content, and ring the bell before the guillotine does. The French Revolution, where heads rolled and history rocked. If that didn't blow your mind, wait till the next one.